It is just so amazing. Just look at the creature. Like you just come down, and this is what you get. Good looking. I've never seen something like this in my life. Like to come close to it is super crazy, to be honest. And we are just getting words at the moment. But it's a nice experience, though. Oh my God. So yeah, the pressure is getting so bad, man. This is nature.
The water doesn't pass, yo. I'm gonna let him enjoy life.
Okay. The pressure over here is so intense and it's so super strong, and we can feel it. Like it's so strong, right? In it?
Ain't it?
Yeah. Oh my God.
You can barely open your eyes.
Hamudi, how was it? How was it?
It's worth it, bro.